Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can start affiliate marketing for free today. So everything is going to be free. That includes the product you're going to promote, which is going to be free to join. So there'll be a link in the description where you can join that product. Also, I'm going to show you how you can earn affiliate commissions as a free member. I'm going to give you free traffic training. So they're going to be free traffic training in the members area of the product. The plus sign here is for the 5 traffic sources, free traffic sources that I'm going to show you a bit later on this video. The ones that I personally use every single day. I'm going to show you how you can scale up. So I'm going to show you how you can earn thousands of dollars with other Warrior Plus products, some proof of those commissions as well, and how you can earn a growing monthly recurring income with Warrior Plus products. So first of all, I've done a little drawing here that's going to show you just a few steps that you can take to start affiliate marketing for free today. The first step is joining the marketplace over here. I've called it WP. So step one. So you go into Google and you type in Warrior Plus, and then all you do is you set up a free account, and that's going to cost you nothing. It's totally free. And then the link in the description is where you can get a product. So step number 2, which is totally free again, totally free. Step number 2, that looks more like a Z than a 2. Okay, step number 2 is where, again, totally free, you join a product called Commission Upgrade. And within Commission Upgrade, there is some video training on how you can start to earn commissions as well. Now, the beauty of this product is step number 3 here. Again, this is going to be no cost at all to you. So we'll call this step number 3 over here is the free traffic. So you're going to get free traffic training within the members area of Commission Upgrade. But I'm also going to give you 5 of my best free traffic sources that I personally use every single day to generate leads and commissions. It's a blog post that I wrote, and I'll pin this to the top comment below the video you're watching now. So they're the first 3 steps. Now, what you do to get your affiliate link, you'll get it inside the members area. So you're going to promote Commission Upgrade. You're going to get an affiliate link. And what happens is with Commission Upgrade, it's a done for you funnel. So you're just going to promote one link. You'll see that's my link there. But you're going to promote one link. And what happens is there are 6 different products in this done for you funnel within Commission Upgrade. So even if you stay a free member, what happens is if any of your referrals decide they want to upgrade to any of these other products here, there's a leads upgrade, a profits upgrade, a traffic upgrade, there's a reseller upgrade where your referrals can earn 100% commissions. You're going to get 50% commission whenever any of your referrals upgrade, and that's even as a free member. So what happens is, this is step 3. So you're going to promote just one link. Let's write that down here. You're going to promote one link. That's all you're going to do. You're going to use your free traffic and you're going to promote one link. But what you're promoting is you're promoting a done for you funnel. And that's what this is here. This is a done for you funnel. So whenever, even as a free member, whenever any of your referrals buy a product that I've just shown you, one of those 6 products, you're going to earn a commission. And you're going to earn 50% commissions. Now, some of those products, if I just go back into it here, some of those products here, this circular arrow denotes recurring product. So some of those products are going to earn you RC recurring commissions. So you're going to be using, so first of all, let's just recap. You're going to join Warrior Plus for free. You're going to get your affiliate link when you join Commission Upgrade for free. Step 3, you're going to be using free traffic. And then you're going to promote one link. But you're going to be promoting a funnel that's done for you. So you just promote one link and your referrals go through a journey. And if they decide they want to build their business faster and they buy any of these products, you're going to earn commissions. It's a very simple system, and you can even earn recurring commissions. 50% commissions. So it's a nice commission. It's not like on Amazon where you earn between 2 and 10%. So I'm not here to knock Amazon. It's a great affiliate marketing program, but it's better to earn 50% commissions than between 2 and 10% commissions. And then what you do is you come over here for the next step. So that would be step 4, promoting one link with the traffic. And then step 5 is over here. This is where you start to get a little bit more advanced. And what you do is you take some of these profits, and all you need is $5. And what you do over here with your $5, you buy some buyer's traffic. And if you go onto my channel, you'll see lots of different buyer's traffic offers. And what you do with that buyer's traffic, you then start to automate. It's autopilot buyer's traffic. You then start to autopilot your affiliate marketing business. And then once you've got your first $5 of buyer's traffic, I'll teach you in the next stage over here, which is this video here, how to get buyer's traffic for free. So when you want to get to this stage, you can either search for this video within my channel, or you can send me an email and I'll email this video over to you. Because then what happens is you can start to earn a lot more commissions with my buyer's traffic. Let's just come back over here. I call it BTF over here. I call it my buyer's traffic formula. And it's where, if I come over here into my Warrior Plus account, it's where I've earned nearly $8,000 of commissions with traffic. And I'm going to teach you that strategy. It's not an overnight strategy. It's a long-term, ongoing, growing monthly strategy. But I'll teach you step by step how to go from earning, getting started for free. I've earned nearly $4,000 of commissions. Now, with that strategy, you also start to earn a growing monthly recurring commission, RC. And then you earn multiple income streams with that strategy as well. Because, again, you begin to promote one link with those offers. And these offers over here have also got multiple income streams built into them. So we're promoting one link and we're earning multiple income streams. But this one over here is a bit more advanced. I want to show you today just how to get started with 1, 2, 3, 4 simple steps and start to earn you these commissions here. Let's get you started earning commissions for free. And then once you start earning these commissions, you can go on to step 5. And then over here, you can go on to step 6. It's a bit more advanced. So this side here, let's draw a line all the way down here. This side on the right hand side is a bit more advanced. Let's get you just started over here on the left hand side, taking 4 simple steps and get you start to earn. Let's get you earning affiliate commissions for free. That's the key, just getting started and taking action. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share this video with anybody that you know would want to start affiliate marketing for free today. And if you've enjoyed today's video, you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about anything in this video, about Warrior Plus, about the products, about the traffic, the strategy, the formula, anything in this video today that you've got a question about, please leave that in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So within Commission Upgrade, the first step is, let's go over here. Within Commission Upgrade, let's have a look here. Where did I put this one? Here it is. So there'll be a link in the description where you can just join for free. And then that's going to give you access to the members area. And then you can get started. And then my free traffic will be pinned to the top comment below this video. And you've also got a training inside the commission upgrade members area here. So lots of training for you here. Lots of video training inside the members area. There's 14 videos inside there for you to get started. It's all beginner friendly. So if you are brand new, you haven't made your first dollar online yet, or you've been struggling to make some consistent commissions, then you just need this one product here, and then start to learn traffic and start to get into profit. You're going to be in profit because you're going to be using free products and free traffic. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.